Hey guys, this is a metal storage cabinet that I'm going to be putting together. Each of the panels, shelves, and other parts are labeled, so it's going to be easy to follow the directions. Right now we're going to need the panels C and D. The bolt is O, nut is P as in Paul. And we're going to join them right here in 4 spots. Now let's attach sides A and B. The shelf bracket is supposed to be at the bottom. We're going to put the C panel into the channel of A side. We're going to use the screws labeled N to attach the side panels to the back. Now the same for side B. This is the bottom of the cabinet. We're going to slide these buckles into the sides A and B in the front. These buckles go into the slots over here. You will see 3 on each side. Snap them in. Put 2 end screws on the inside. Take the shelf labeled H and put it down in there with the notched side on the front. So like this. You're going to insert the shelf sides into these brackets. Make sure the notch in the front stays on the outside of the lip. Now we're going to flip this on the back and put screws to the bottom of the cabinet. Attach 4 end screws to the back. Now going to the top of the cabinet, we're going to take part labeled I. And attach it over here and push it up. Now we're going to attach part G. You will notice that one side has 2 holes in the middle, the other side has 1 hole. The 2-hole side is going to go towards the back of the cabinet. 7 screws labeled N. There's going to be 4 in the back and 3 in the front. Now let's go to the bottom of the cabinet. We're going to attach the base labeled K. It's going to be right and left. There's going to be 7 end screws on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And same thing on that side. Now take the hardware bag labeled M. This is the cabinet base. You can adjust the height and the level with these. And there we go. Mount this cabinet to a wall with screws and put them into these holes. We can now install our shelves. Now let's take assembly R and install it over here. That, and then we're going to put the plastic washer over it. Install the door labeled F, the one that's going to go on the left side, and then press down on this spring right here and insert it into the hole on the top. We can install these magnets labeled S onto the bottom and the top of the door. We're going to do the same thing to the door on the right. You can put a lot of stuff in here. You will use the provided key to lock, and it'll lock the top and the bottom. This cabinet can be used in any room in the house. I'm using it for my basement storage. I can put all my little things in here and keep them away rather than being scattered all over the place. It is not hard to put this cabinet together. All the panels and parts are lightweight. The color schemes that are available are very nice. You can use this cabinet in a variety of things for your kitchen, for your bedroom, living room, kids' room, storage, garage, basement, the shop, laundry, and will make your place look very nice, clean, and organized.